How to fix iPhone 17 Pro not turning on. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and charge your iPhone properly and make sure to use original Apple USB-C cable and adapter, and make sure to plug it directly into your wall socket and not your laptop or power bank, and charge for at least 30 to 60 minutes, as if battery is deeply drained, screen may stay black for a while. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to force restart your iPhone. So simply press the volume up button and release it. Further, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears, and once force restarted, your issue should have been fixed. If not, check if the screen is the problem, as sometimes phone is on but the display is black. So you can try to turn the ringer switch on or off, or you can also press the volume buttons, or you can call on your iPhone from another phone and see if that helps. If not, you can try using a different charger and the cable, as sometimes the charger that you are using could have been the problem. Also, let your iPhone cool down and then warm up if it is too cold or hot. So, if your iPhone is too hot, unplug and wait for 15 minutes. And if your iPhone is very cold, then you can keep your iPhone at room temperature until it returns to its normal way. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone 17 Pro not turning on. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.